But if you just focus on the 20% that constitutes your strength and your unique ability, that is going to produce 80% of the results. What I have learned from my coach, for example, is that one thing that you usually excel in, it's not necessarily a subject, but it's a way of doing things that works really, really well for you, that comes naturally to you, that others look up to you for, others can count on you for.
Exactly.
And that is basically what he calls your unique ability, or in traditional schooling would be called your strengths. And he's of the opinion that if you focused only on your strengths or on your unique ability, that 20% that you spend, usually we do like 100% all activities,
Right.
all things. But if you just focus on the 20% that constitutes your strength and your unique ability, that is going to produce 80% of the results. There's a rule called the 80-20 rule, and it's basically addressing that. But he's